Hey everyone! Welcome back to If you're tired of reaching for the mouse just to shut down your computer, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to power off your Windows 10 computer using just your keyboard, saving you time and hassle. Let's jump right in. And if you find this video helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. To shut down Windows 10 using just your keyboard, here's a quick trick. First, press the Windows key plus X to open the Power User menu. Then, simply press U twice, once to open the Shutdown or Sign Out menu, and once more to select Shutdown. That's it. Your computer will begin shutting down without you ever needing to touch the mouse. Now you know how to shut down Windows 10 with just your keyboard. Thanks for watching.